All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So on the. Where something is. It is on the mountain. It is on the mountain. Yeah. On the left side. Yeah. You can see it on the right hand side. On the right hand side. Yeah. I have a book on the table. I am on the train now. I'm on the train now. Definitely. Yeah. We were on the mountain earlier. Yeah. We are on the boat now. Do you think they will be on the train on time? Maybe. I'm standing on the mountain top now. I am on the boat in the ocean now. I am not on the on the road, on the path. On the path now. I'm not on the path now. How cool is that? Soon we will be on the roof of the world. Yes, I am on the tallest mountain. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. They will be on the journey with me. They will be on the journey with me. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use on the in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.